Hi everyone. If you are also facing some issues like in your marketing software that you have to update it again and again, okay, daily some new features or new updates are added. For that you have to pay again and again for the software, okay. And second thing, if you don't have to keep your software open and your system open for 24 hours, suppose you have to close your system right now, shut down it, okay, and then also your bot should work, okay. You have to create some AI chatbots according to the replies, like somebody sent you hi and everything, anything like that, like website packages, then website packages should receive by them, okay. If you want to keep that kind of bot with you, then this video is for you. First of all, if you are also facing this kind of issue, you have to first, you have to keep your system turned on for 24 hours. Second, if you have to update the softwares again and again within a month or within the week, okay. Third, your software is not supported in your mobile. If you want to run the software, marketing software in your mobile also, then this video is also for you. We'll go to the dashboard, okay. I'll explain how we are using in this. See, I have sent 16,085 messages from my own number, okay. Nothing like virtual number and nothing at all, okay. I have just used my own number in this. So what we'll do, for this you don't need your system, you can do it with your mobile also. Here in account manager, what we will do, we will add a WhatsApp profile. We will log in our number here. See, now our WhatsApp profile has been added. So what we will do, we will first of all create a WhatsApp contact, okay. We can do the same thing in our mobile also. I am telling you how to use this advanced featured cloud bot. If you don't want to use system, your laptop, or you want to use it on your mobile, here we will create a demo contact, okay. We will create a demo 24 number contact. In this, how to upload your own WhatsApp contacts, we can upload it by using two methods, okay. First of all, we can upload an CSV or Excel file. You can download the template here. The template has been downloaded, okay. Now what you do, phone numbers are here and their name here. You can copy paste and then upload. Instead of that, if you don't want to use Excel, then what you can do, you can just create manual contacts. You can copy paste also. Just submit, create a contact. We have created a contact. After that, we will go in WhatsApp bulk messages. We have to select our profile which we have logged in just yet. Campaign name demo 24. Select group demo 24. We have to keep text and media. Any text and media we can take from file manager. We can select what we have to. We will send our logo, then hi demo. Second, 3 seconds. That's up to you how many. After that, if you want to schedule it, okay. If you want to schedule it, you can schedule at any time. 24, like 23 is 11, the 0 is 12, 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is in 24-hour clock. You can do it in any time. Daytime, if you want to do it randomized, then daytime, nighttime, odd and even, you can just select. Okay, after selecting all these details, just click on schedule. After clicking the schedule, our message has been sent to our number. Okay, all the reports are here only. The message has been sent now, sent to my number. Okay, I have already received that. Second thing, if you want to create a chatbot, okay, wait, I'll tell you chatbot after autoresponder. What is autoresponder? There is a different difference between autoresponder and chatbot. Autoresponder is a single response, okay, which you can set for any message. Like somebody sent you hi, then what you do, you just set an auto reply, and then auto reply will be sent to that number. Somebody asks you for website packages, then also your auto reply will be sent. This is auto reply. We can set auto reply for welcome messages and all. If you want to create proper AI based, artificial intelligence based chatbot you want to create with multiple responses, then you what you have to do, click on WhatsApp chatbot, enable it, type the name chatbot welcome. Chatbot welcome, we can select multiple keywords like hi, hello, hola. Okay, for multiple languages we can select. After that, if you want to upload any text or media, from here you can select for auto reply your caption, hi, welcome to master media. You can submit it. Okay, we can start. If you want to start this bot, you can just click on start. Now from stop it is running. Okay, we'll just stop it. Second thing, if you want to create multiple keywords, okay, then what you have to do, you have to add an item. If somebody is asking you, its name is website package, then somebody is asking for website, web design, web development, or any other service somebody will ask, only same message will go, hi, please check our messages below. Okay, what we will do, we will start it. So like this we can create our chatbot according to the keyword we received. Okay, after that, WhatsApp profile, here you can check how many numbers you have logged in. Okay, like that. Autoresponder I have told you, chatbot, messages, and this is API. Okay, this is API. First of all, if you want to export your participants from the group, first of all, if you want to export your participant from the group, what you can do, you can just select the profile and you can export the participant from your group. Okay, whichever group you have joined. Second thing, it is API. It is WhatsApp API. You can use this API to integrate it into multiple softwares. Okay, those who are using CRM or billing software, they know the use for API. They can just create and connect this API to multiple platforms. So if you also want to stop using your desktop for marketing, and if you want to send multiple of messages for from your phone or anything like that, you can use this cloud software. Okay, this will help you sending thousands of messages without any hassle. As you can see here, 16,000 messages I have sent using a single number. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding that, just message me on the number given below. Thank you. Have a good day.